I would get to know if it could be the kind of girl you could put down for.
Hey Wonder Pros, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony, and if you are new here, then welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe, and if you're old here, then hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 5 different braided hairstyles that you can do with braids. So these are braids on braids on braids, and obviously these styles will be limited to whatever braid pattern that you get when you first get your braids put in. So this is just what I'm going to be doing with the Fulani braids that I got from the CKC Fest. I will link that video above if you don't know what I'm talking about, but I left a poll on Instagram asking you guys if you would like to see this video. So this is going to be 5 cute but simple hairstyles that you can do with braids if your braid pattern mimics mine in any way. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I achieve that. But really quick, before we get started, take 1 second, go down below, click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me, and thumbs up if you like this type of content. And without further ado, let's jump into it. So yeah, you guys, that is everything. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. This is 2-week-old hair, so I will probably have these in for another week, maybe week and some change. I don't know. I love not having to do anything to my hair, okay? Not having a wash day at the end of every week has been like heaven. So this is the break that I needed from my curls, but I am kind of missing them. And things aren't as crisp as they were before. I've just been oiling my scalp, and you know, things are getting a little itchy. So yeah, I am gonna try and maintain it for now and see if I can squeak 1 more week out of this style, because being able to just get up and go can't put a price on time, okay? Anyway, if you guys did enjoy, again, don't forget to thumbs up and check out my other social media platforms over here and any of my previous uploads over here. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an Afro puff, and subscribe down below so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.